Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert zip file to PDF in mobile. So guys, just make sure to navigate into your browser, the file explorer basically on your phone, and find of course the zip file that you wish to convert. So this will mean of course unzipping our files and converting effectively our zip file or RAW file into the PDF format. So in my case, I just, as you can see, opened up my file manager, but if I click, I can simply just extract, so it's not available to extract, for example, certain files. So if you want to extract certain files and not all, I will actually show you a different tab. Okay, so in the search, just type in RAW and download this application. Okay, and in this application, just open your zip file. And as you can see, I have the PDF file right inside. So you just click on this check mark, then press on arrow up in here, and then just choose where you want to extract it. So let's just choose the same folder. Okay. And okay. And now as you can see, our PDF file is successfully unarchived. And now you've converted the zip to PDF. Guys, enjoy. Hopefully this helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe.